Hello everyone, just a little addendum to an update I did on the fridge. The other day I did get this shelf in for the fridge, and I quickly ordered a set of the Gowesty tethers to anchor this guy down, because I don't really want this guy flying around if I do have to stop quickly or I do get in an accident. So what I got was a little bit different than what was on the website, but I've got some experience with this. I usually tend to just contact the manufacturer first before I do anything and see if they could help me sort the issue out. And in this case, what happened was the picture in the website, the straps on this were black, which I thought was great because it's kind of stealthy then, or at least I don't notice as much as these bright red ones. Although the red does kind of match the red on here. But anyway, I had it stuck in my head that I wanted the black one. So when the red ones arrived, I was a little shocked. So I reached out to Gowesty, and on their website it says it may take 1 or 2 days to get back to you with inquiries. So today it was maybe 6 hours and they got back to me, which I thought was awesome. And they helped me out with this. They apologized for not being the correct listing on the website, and they actually, and I probably shouldn't say this, but they actually refunded me for the price of these, which I thought was very generous. And I responded right away and said that I really appreciated that, and that I didn't expect it, but it was highly appreciated, and that's going above and beyond for customer service. And I thought that was great. All these do is they kind of just hook onto the seat belt. There's a part, like a little piece of metal here that screws in with the seat belt bolt, both on this side and on the other side as well, and holds it in fairly tight. I think it'll be fine for what I'm trying to do. So I think it's going to work out. I'm not sure. I just kind of put some zip ties on these incredibly long straps that they send with this. Not exactly sure if I'm going to cut them and melt the ends so it doesn't fray, or just leave them like this so I can use those for something else if need be. But we'll figure it out. Just from my own personal experience, I see it quite a bit where people will write a review or blast on social media companies rather than just talking to their customer service department. So I definitely always reach out to the company first, because that is the absolute best way to get help with any kind of questions or issues or inquiries you have with a product. And Gowesty did a great job of it. So awesome job, guys. That's a quickie episode from me. Just want to update you on this. I'm currently getting ready for a long long drive to Wisconsin to go to AV Conversions. They're having a camp out this weekend. So I'm going to leave Thursday morning super early and try to bust out some miles and get there as quickly as I can, which we'll see what happens. Hopefully all is good. Cheers, everyone. Thank you. Bye.